In this video, I am going to tell you how you can follow up with your subscribers. So this is going to be very similar to an email autoresponder, just like you would if you had sent an email blast out to your email list asking them to subscribe to or register for a webinar or a course or whatever offer that you have going on, and then sending them a follow-up email sequence or email just to remind them, hey, did you get a chance to register, or whatever your message is. So this is how it's going to be done in manychat. Again, super similar, same concept as an email follow-up sequence, but it is done like so here in manychat. From your home screen, you will go down to where it says broadcasting and click, and then you're going to hit new broadcast, and we're going to keep it in Messenger, and you will see this screen pop up. So right now you're going to want to click in the send message little window right here, and you're going to start typing your message. So in this example, let's use the Spots for Bosses course, and we'll say, hey, first name, did you still plan on registering for the free Bots for Bosses masterclass, where you'll learn how bots can transform your business and scale your growth? And then we'll do some buttons down here. Yes, thanks for a reminder. Oh, thanks for, I can't fit all those letters. So we'll just say yes, and we can say, I don't think so, and leave those as the options. Now, I'm not going to go into any more detail because, a broadcast, a follow-up message like this can be as simple as this, or you can continue on and add some other steps in this sequence. But for now, we're going to then click up here where it says go next. And this is where I really want to draw your attention to, because this is before you send this broadcast out. Let's make sure everything is going to the subscribers and the people that you want it to go to. So as you can see right here, the content type is important, and you want to select the content that really your broadcast fits into. It's very important. manychat has a lot of rules and regulations. You want to always play by the rules, and things are always changing. So if this screen, if this looks a little bit different at the time you're watching this video, then that happens as things change, but the concepts should all remain the same. So the broadcast options below, as you see in this gray box, are subject to the policies like I just explained. So you want to make sure you familiarize yourself. You can read up in manychat's blog, my personal blog, give a lot of good tips and helpful updates with things like that as well. And so you have these two options. You have non-promotional or mixed content, and it says message tags apply. So if you're not familiar again with tags, make sure you go look that up. Make sure you get acquainted and have a good understanding of what tags are. So again, very similar to whatever email autoresponder that you're using. If you're doing email marketing, then tags, just like they're applied over an email, same concept over here. So you'll see that it says tag each message that comes before any interactions or after delay steps exceeding 24 hours with the appropriate tag. Untagged messages will not reach subscribed contacts who have interacted with the bot over 24 hours ago. All right. And then, of course, there's links that's going to help you decide on tags. Okay. So that's one option. And then the other option is promotional content only. So tags are not applicable here. They're ignored. So these broadcasts can contain promotions, but the target audience is limited to contacts who interacted with your bot in the last 24 hours. Now, this 24-hour rule, again, it didn't used to be the way things were. Now it is. So it's very important that we understand that. And that's another reason why you want to create really highly engaging content, and you want to nurture your subscribers always, okay, with really great content. Make sure that they're engaging with your bot regularly. So these are your two options here. This is, again, targeting. So this is pretty cool. You can have conditions. So say a certain tag was added to that person, that's when they'll get this message, or they opted in through a widget or through an ad. You can even get a little bit more specific and target certain genders, languages, time zones, names. It goes on and on and on. So this is another way to get pinpoint and get really, really specific with who this follow-up broadcast will go out to. And then you can send the broadcast immediately, send it now, or you can even schedule it for later. And when you click that, it will give you a calendar, date, and time, which is really, really nifty, as well as time zone settings and notification. And once you're done going through this, you hit this blue button, send now. Okay, so as you'll notice, even if you were to pick if you pick a different day and time, it'll say schedule message. If you choose send now, it will give you the option up here to send now. And that's it. And that's how you can follow up using broadcasting in ManyChat.